The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Well, good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. As you can see, I'm having some issues here. We're having internet issues. I can't get TradingView to load. I'm not sure how long this is going to work. Give me a second here while I try to at least get the TradingView window to show. And I can tell this is going to be a great Monday morning. Well, there we go. Come on. I hate it when my streaming software does this, will not pick up the TradingView window. Not sure why it does that. This is ridiculousness. Yay. Well, please stand by. Technical difficulties. Still can't get that to load. Yay. Okay. Let's try this. Oh, man. Really? Ah, yeah. This is a great day. Morning, Jake. Morning, Mr. G. Hopefully we'll get something going here in a minute. There we go. Okay. Now, why won't this window load? Remind me, is there a way to refresh this? Oh, okay, screw it. YWR. There we go. If one way doesn't work, we'll do it the other way. There we go. Now, yeah, whatever. Connect. Now, let's see if I can bring up MNQ, because we're going to start off on micros today. Don't tell. That's not what I want. Don't tell, what's his name? And don't tell him I forgot his name either. CFT, that's who. Okay. Now, we're rocking and rolling, I think. There we go. Okay, so overnight, we had some interesting action. Let's go to our hourly chart. We gapped up huge at the Sunday evening open by over 100 points, and we came down. Why is that so big? Hold on a minute. There we go. Came back down, and then we'll try to come back up. The high was 530, the low 260, so big 270 point range here overnight. Copper, about a 120 tick range. Get rid of these windows, thank you. Gold trying to rebound, and we have about 17 points of range. Ultra Bond, about 2 points of range. Good morning, Kim. So warning, guys, my internet is acting all wonky. It's been down like 3 different times. If I disappear, it's because the internet went out. Also, you might want to keep making sure you're live. I haven't seen it swirl yet, so But at one point I had no up speed, just down speed, so not sure what's going on. A little over 2.5 points of range on crude, and natural gas falling. Under 4. Good morning, Dakota. Yes, there isn't anything that frustrates me more than internet issues. Excuse me 1 second. Yep, now I can't get my Tradovate window to load. Let's refresh that. See if that loads for me. The good news is that YouTube is saying it's an excellent connection. Does the stream look okay, guys? Okay, good. Excellent. Okay, I'm going to finish my eggs, and we'll watch the market, and then see if I can get Tradovate to trade today. But I'm probably going to see if this actually settles down before placing any trades anyway. I'm done chewing. Still trying to get logged into Tradovate. Kind of my charts are frozen. No, they're not. Just maybe slow. Yeah, they're okay. Tradovate's still not loading. So for now, we're not going to trade. We are going to trade off micros to start. Morning, Robin. At least the stream's still giving good quality, but I cannot get Tradovate to load. Try it again. Okay, so the issue is Comcast sucks. Internet's been up and down throughout the night and this morning. I'm not sure why I'm able to. Right now, the stream says excellent connection, but I'm having problems with loading other stuff. Good morning, Justin. So we're watching NQ, just kind of sideways right now, up in the 400s. You can see just how up and down everything's been overnight. If I told you how I really think, I might get demonetized. YouTube doesn't like that kind of language. Yeah, I'm losing it. Discord just went down as well. The fact that YouTube's not yelling at me is kind of a surprise. Well, usually, when there's connection issues, YouTube's throwing up a big yellow or red warning telling me that it's not getting uh, enough data to continue to stream. So right now, I mean, I just brought it up on my phone data. It's still looking okay. So, but Discord's not working. I can't get Tradovate to work. So we're just gonna go watch the market. I can't trust to take any trades even if I want to. Not that I want to right this second, but we see China pop back up. I guess I can commentate. Yes, appreciate hitting that like button. If Comcast has a YouTube channel, go over there and hit a dislike button. Maybe I won't get the trade this morning. So, watching NQ pop up here, nice little bounce off that EMA. Crude, kind of level. Gold, kind of choppy. Yep, top of the hour coming up. Mr. G already mentioned it, but the news this morning, we have the 8:30 Chicago National Activity Index at 9:45 U.S. S&P Services PMI flat. A whole bunch of PMI flashing at us. Getting flashed is not always fun. Still can't get Tradovate to load. I can't. Uh, yeah, I came in all, hung go, got some stuff worked on over the weekend, and now I can't trade. Now, granted, I wouldn't be taking any trades right now anyway, but still. This is a frustrating moment. Hello, gossip. Still no Discord, still no Tradovate, but yet Yahoo's working. I don't understand. Okay. Uh, well, we came down, we filled that gap up from the open, came down, bouncing now. Looks like it's going to be a bullish day at this point. But we may bounce here and come back down. So it's hard to say. Right now, I have to see whether or not this momentum continues. We're about halfway in the range. Nice bullish momentum right now. Very good. Look at that candle. Hey, Tradovate loaded. Let's see if I can get in. Hey, Tradovate loaded. Discord still hasn't loaded. No, there's Discord. Hey, everything's coming back. And just as the market starts going wild. Maybe everyone's internet was down. Okay, there we go. This hit 450. Now, high day was, what did I say high day was? 530. So we are definitely showing bullish. Let's see if it bounces here. Kind of, this could be. You see, we've been coming up here since way back here, about 3 hours now, and it's about 160 points up. A couple pullbacks, but maybe this is where it ends. You often see a big move end with a big candle and then reverse. Nice, G. Good job. Okay, right now everything's normal. Let's see if it stays that way. What do I thank YouTube for uh, not going down on me? And here it comes right back down, giving back almost that entire candle. So, like I said, I'm going to be on micros here. I need to actually set up some brackets on micros. So coming back down after that nice move up. Let me try that. There we go. So get back the entire big candle, which was 20 points. I'm pulling back now. See if we come down and break the EMA. Good morning, Deb. Welcome. Trying to bounce on that EMA a bit. Hey, Rod. How you doing today? I'm glad you're having good scalp conditions. That dandruff can always be a bad thing. Okay, we are getting a possible trigger candle. Big trigger candle. So it's come down pretty fierce there. About 30 points down already. Trigger candle. We're in short 5 MNQ. I just want to try and build this back up. It's down by 660 bucks. So I don't want to continue to go down further, at least not at a fast pace. Micros. Risking 100 to try and get 100 here. No, I'm risking 75 to try and get 100. 40 point target, 40 point, yeah, 40 tick target, 30 tick stop. First trigger candle of the day. Let's see if it works. Honestly, I was still not trusting my internet there, but that would have been a better entry right off that candle that broke that third band. This is looking like it's bouncing back up. Yeah, bounced right back up. So stop out. Nice way to start the day. Down $83. Not sure why. Oh yeah, that's right. Because it was only. So great way to start the day. Great way to start the week. Should be a fun week. $83. At least it's not the 347 I still had sitting there. 83. Coming back up. Let's see if it bounces back down. It did come back up. And then by 7 points only. See if it bounces on that moving average on the RSI. Should have took the reversal right off the top there. Just kind of sitting there now. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Low or high. Coming back down. See if we re-break this EMA. We are. Arch trying. Didn't get some things set up that I wanted to get set up. I was dealing with a terrible headache yesterday. Still here a little bit, but so we'll try again. Maybe. Maybe. $20 seconds on this candle. We're gonna try it again. We're in. Oh, I'm right back up. So, let's see. Maybe pushing back down. Top of the hour. Probably should have waited. Wasn't watching my time. Just watching the price action. Morning CBR. There we go. Push down. Push down toward 400. I like this setup. Down, up, lower high, back down. Let's see if we can get our money out of here. So far it's only going 5 points and won't go anymore. Back up to my entry point. Nice little bounce here. Good morning, Travis. Pushing down toward my target. Target 403.5. Just came within a tick of my target. How nice of it. Oh wait. It's not showing on TradingView, but I hit my target. Not sure why it's not showing on TradingView. Okay. That's not a good sign either. Now up $11 on the day, so that was a good win, but I have stuff not loading again. Let's just hope that this isn't gonna. Yeah. So we are having internet issues again. At least I got the win. We're up $11. This is weird. It's showing the price action, but it's not clearing those orders. I mean, the orders are not on Tradovate, so I don't have to worry about them filling, but there we go. Okay, got the orders off the screen. Popped right back up after hitting my target, so I got a little lucky there. Popped up. Let's see if this works. So, yep, warning guys that we are seeing some internet issues, unfortunately. If you see any swirling, hit that live button. Should get you back to live. I haven't really seen any problem with the YouTube stream, but I've been having problems with just about everything else. I am still here, right? Looks like I am. Not too far behind. Good. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Kim. So that was a nice little move there. Now, unfortunately, I'm trying to figure out, how it could have maybe stayed out of that one, and I'm not really seeing it. But nice bounced up. I took the next trigger candle down. We got 1 out of 2 out of it. 411. We're up $11. Just trying again to come up to this EMA, breaking it. I don't like the break. Give me a break. Give me a break. Thank you, Dakota. Strong move back up. Did not take that trigger candle. We're having a, it looks like it's trying the downtrend. Now this trigger candle here would have worked for a little over 10 points, but I didn't trust that either. You see it coming back down. Just trying to trigger again. Do I want to take another one? Give me a second. Just set aside. We'll kind of watch. Try it. We shall try it if it sticks. 5 seconds on this candle. Oh, well, just trying to. It's indecisive. Taking a short. And our order showed up. It's popping right back up. Let's see if it comes down for me. It's a good point, Dakota. Good point. I didn't realize Yellen was talking. I didn't see that on my schedule. Thanks for that. Do you know what time she starts talking? Pulling down. Alright, thank you, Dakota. Back at my entry point. Yeah, I noticed that. They really need to, like, zip it. Ah. Pop. Oh. Beaten down. Popped up, beaten down. Trading views frozen again. Watching on my other screen. I'm not actually up 750, even though Trading View says that I'm down 32. Watching the price action. I'm in at 11,413. The price action's right. The orders on the screen are wrong. My stop is at 421. It looks like it's about to get hit. Oh, maybe not. Push it back down again. There we go. Come on, push it down for me. Yeah, they should all be put in timeout. I mean, FOMC is next week, next Wednesday. I thought there was a quiet period before each FOMC. Maybe, I mean, that wouldn't apply to Yellen though. Yellen needs to stop her yelling. We're about to be stopped out on this trade, even though it says it's up 750. Come within a point of stopping me out. Yep, there we go. Stopped. Down 71 on the day. Let's try and clear this order and see if it clears. I'm a happy ox. Back to negative. Oh, so should I have taken the trigger back up? I don't know. Okay, still won't close. Still won't clear. Excuse me, clear the position on TradingView. It's bouncing back up. It's dancing on its own. Still won't clear off TradingView. Yay! So, one win, two losses so far. Down 71. Here it's coming back down again. Hey, there, it finally closed the position, or no longer showing the position. See if we bounce off the CMA, but this looks choppy right now. Crude's coming down a bit. Gold's a little bit choppy. Oil, natural gas heading up a little bit. Another move down. Definitely choppiness here, so we'll try and kind of stay out, I guess. See rapid fire trigger candles there. Ones that did work, ones that didn't. This one worked. That one worked. These didn't. So we'll wait till this clears up. Excuse me. Back up. I'm just kind of sitting on this EMA. Sitting on the EMA. And down. I like that. I didn't like this candle for potential down move. Didn't play it, but I liked it. And look at that. Yeah, darn. So that was a definitely reversal candle there, and I should have taken it. A bit quick win. Wow, look at that. All of a sudden, that big drop just got below this level. So down was our direction. Should have taken this trigger, so this one would have worked. Just how could I trust that after 3 straight? I'm going short here. See if this move continues down. Late as usual. There's a bad entry. New candle here in a second. Doesn't seem to want to continue down here. Should have taken the quick couple bucks. Little bounce. Let's see if it comes back down. Oh yeah, I forgot. Ultra bond opens, which means this could spike. Taking it off the table there for a small win. I didn't trust the Ultra Bond and what it might do. So we're only down $49 now, so let's do that quick math. 71.49, 49.59, that's was a $22 win, yay. Should have kept it. It's still coming. Ultra Bond opens with a big move down there by 8 ticks. Yep, should not have gotten out, would have got my profit target. Live some, you learn some. Or whatever that phrase is. Awesome, Jake. So, yep, should have stayed in that trade, didn't, but that's okay. Ultra bond continues to come down. So 2 out of 4 today so far. 4 trades. What of a bounce. Crude's coming down. Yep, definitely could have got more out of that. We got out at 96. No, we got out 94, and it's down to 74. So could have got 20 points and more as we fall. So I was right. Remember back here when this big candle formed, I said that, you know, long trends often end with big candles. And we see here we've come down since then. That was 450. We've come down 80 points since the top of that very candle. Not the smoothest coming down. Down, up, cross, down. But it was down nonetheless. And it continues to push down. Crude free falling as well, down trying to get under 83. Gold's choppy. Copper's choppy. Bitcoin not doing much of anything. Ethereum though has had a good weekend. Oops. Excuse me a minute. Oh, Comcast has a thing on their website. You may experience brief service interruptions during some upcoming planned maintenance. Yay. Oh, they claimed starting 10/27. So what's going on now? Whatever. Sorry. So NQ, clicking around 374 now. Excuse me. Okay. We're trying to push down again. Pushing down. It's kind of hanging here now. Popping back up. So remember, we have just a tad bit of news here in a minute. Nothing major, I don't think. Chicago National Activity Index. Actual 0.1. Expected was negative 0.1. Don't expect that to really move the market much. Oh, maybe I was wrong. Back down 15 points, so nice bounce down. And we're pushing on down. So stronger move there on that Chicago National Activity Index than I thought. Ouch. Popping up. We're just kind of watching and waiting here. This is a 3-minute chart look like. Ew. So the 3-minute chart would have only sent me one signal so far. So that would have kept me out of trouble. I mean, I would have had one signal for a win. I'm comparing 3 and 1, if you noticed. Trying to figure out which one's better. I spent the weekend searching that. Overall, it looks like the one's better if I take the signals. Now today, so far, it hasn't been, but you can see normally it's, you know, a lot more. Well, I'm not going to continue going back, but we'll see. We'll continue to figure this out. How's everyone else doing out there today? Ultra Bond did come down nicely there. Bottomed out at 125.04. Came back up a little bit. Now sideways. You know, it's being wonky a little bit again. If you see obviously if you see the swirling thingy, just hit the live button. Pushing down, continuing down. So we've now come down over 100 point. No, I'm wrong. Almost 100 points since it reached the top there. I kind of called that reversal. Wish I had played the whole darn thing. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you're enjoying today's content, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Can you let others know you enjoy the content? Bouncing a little bit here, back up, back up, back up, back up. NATE and the warranty, the G. Yes, what, Jay? Yep. I'm having trouble getting the websites again. Yay. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Jay. Stretching. Pop back up to the EMA. I don't know. It's very quiet in the chat today. It says there's 29 people here. Remember, everyone, feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions and comments are always welcome. If you're new here, introduce yourself. About 50 minutes. 50, not 15. 50 minutes to the bell. About 20 minutes to the energies markets open. It's trying to send a long signal here. Don't very interested there, but we'll just see. We shall see. I guess that really would make you a wolf of Wall Street, wouldn't it? Okay, I don't like this trigger here. We're butting up against that top band. So there's a strong candle up 10 points. Let's see if it comes back down. If it comes down a little bit and then goes back up, well, I'm interested in that. This looked like it was going to bounce. It's above these bands down here. So my rules say not to take it. My rules might suck. It's going about 6 points up. There's a pullback a little bit. Not much. And there's the pullback I expected. Oh, it's not much of a sustained pullback though. Taking along here. It's a feeling. Should never play feelings, but I know. Doesn't want to go higher. Can it take me higher? Come on, push up just a little bit more. Now falling back. Crap. Trying again. There we go. Nope, right back down. Up, down, left, right. There we go. 52, 55, 57. Oh, struggling. There we go. Feeling worked. Boom, target hit. It doesn't show it on the screen again, but target hit. And we're now up on the day by $45. So it's about a $100 win there. Even though, again, it does not show it on my screen. Thank you. I'm right back down. Eventually this might clear my screen. It still won't clear my screen, but I did get a win there. Internet. Wonderful, wonderful internet. Anyway, I called that a feeling, but it really wasn't a feeling there. I didn't like this trigger candle here because we were butting against the bands, and when I saw this little bit of a pullback, I thought, this isn't much of a pullback, but looks like I think it's going to continue going up. So that's why I say that feeling, but really it was reading just the way the candles are forming in the price action. Still can't get this off my screen though. Nope, still won't get off my screen. So ignore the order that's showing on screen. That's already closed for profit. It eventually will go away. I hope. There it goes. Yay. Good morning, John. How are you doing? Morning, Crypticon. Yes, Phillies shocked the world. That Harper home run was something out of Hollywood. Pulling down. Yep. Yep. I like Canadians. I think everybody knows that. Bullish and golfing here. Bounce off that EMA. Strong candle up. Wow, very strong candle up. Yep. Eagles are still 6-0. Good morning, Burl. That said, I don't know how they're going to do against the Astros because the Astros are very tough. Yes, he's definitely a Hall of Famer there, and the Hall of Fame executive. And honestly, I did not expect it at all. I thought that the team was put together badly. I hated the Castellanos signing because I thought we just had too many DHs, and then when Harper went down and could only play DH, it was like, eh. So nice move up here. Back up to 413. Oh, nice little rebound right back up. Pulling back down. So just gonna watch in here. Got about 37 minutes to the bell. Gold's looked ugly this morning. Crude with a nice move down, trying to stay above 83. Copper, slight grind down. Coming back down to that EMA. How you doing today, Crypticon? Pull one down. There was a trigger candle there. I didn't take it. Uptrending bands. I don't know. This doesn't seem like I think we're gonna bounce a little bit. Maybe it's gonna be a down. We'll look for a down, slightly move back up, and then a down move. We'll see if I'm right. Right back up. So we'll see whether or not this does foretell a down, up, down move. I'll get that alert off the screen here in a minute. Strong move back up. RIG. Was the trigger candle back up? Don't like it there. Perhaps I should have liked it there though. Here's the link for Mr. G's YouTube, Winning Wall Street's Money. So trigger candle down. Obviously that one didn't work. Trigger candle back up. That one's trying to work. But we'll see if it bounces back down. So down, up, down. Let's see if this is a lower high bouncing off those bands or if it expands the bands. See if it's a band expander. It's top of the hour. Energy markets are open. Good morning, Ace. How are you? Move down here. Top of the hour. Yes, the sun is a fan. Strong candle down here, taking the short, I think. Yeah, I took it. It's not showing on my screen, but I took it. Late, as usual. In at 89, stops at 97. Looks like it's going to bounce on me. Maybe not. The price action's right. The order just didn't show on my screen, unfortunately. Having those problems today because of my internet. New candle. It's hanging right around my entry point. Yep, popping up now. See if it stays below. There we go. It's getting beaten back down a little bit. I want to see red. I like red. There we go. There's some red. Up. It's not like what it's doing. Oh, here we go. Maybe. Come on, push down for me, baby. Sorry you can't see the order on my screen. I'm in at 389, and it's about to stop out. It was going my way for a second. There's the order on my screen now. Just finally popped up there. Let's see if it comes back down for me. Looks like we're about to get stopped. Yep, stopped out. So we're back down by $39. Nothing wants to go right. Let's forget it. That's it's normal. If I wasn't negative, I feel when I'm not negative, I feel weird. The thing is, it's gonna come back down. Probably just didn't give it a wide enough stop. I mean, nah. A 15-point stop wouldn't have worked either. So, morning, JC. Yeah, bro, I've been trading Tostep since Friday. Oh, you mean the last change? No, I haven't heard anything on that. Pulling back down. Pulling back down. It's quite the breakfast. I think that might be worse than ramen noodles. It's trying to come back down again. Trying to come down again. It just can't wait to come down again. You heard some crunching of trash in the background, is what you heard. I mostly drink 2 out of 2 liters. Another reason I don't show myself on camera, because I literally drink out of the 2 liter. Big move down here, so it came up, stopped me out, come down. Trying another short here. Hey, it immediately showed on my screen. Maybe that's a good sign. I've been having internet issues on and off, so if I disappear or if you see swirling circles, hit the live button. The stream seems to be stable, everything else seems to not be. Pushing down, can we get 10 points here? Nope. That's a nope. It pops back up, come on. To the no, no, no. Nope. Come on. Give it to me, baby. New candle. Give me a push down. Yeah. That's the way I like it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's the way, uh-huh, uh-huh. I like it. That's not the way I like it. And a bounce. Should have taken the 70. Struggling here at 377. Taking it off, it won't break. Ignore it on the screen because that won't clear the screen. Still having internet problems. Got out at the right time though. We're down $10 now on the day, so that was all of a $29 trade. The Ultra Bond. Uh-oh. Okay, now my charts won't move either. I was gonna check the Ultra Bond, but it doesn't want to let me. Oh, there it lets me. Nice. Very nice move down the Ultra Bond. Still trying to get the all-time lows there. It's all-time lows is 117. It's still not far away. Can't get these orders off my screen. That trade's done. I got a $29 profit off of it. So up, doji candle, maybe coming right back down. Really wish these orders would get off my screen because that's not an active order. Back down. Up and down morning, down $10. I think I'm 3 out of 6 on trades, but having internet issues, so it's not letting me even see my stats. Which is why you see these phantom orders on my screen that really aren't there. Hey, the phantom orders went away. Let's see. Well, let me check out UB. Oh, still won't let me check out UB, so we'll go over here and check out UB. What's your stop on that trade, JC? We'll keep an eye on that. Sitting around 24 right now. Well, it's hanging there 24. Not going too too fast either way. What did oil do? It just open. Oh, oil popped up at the open. Back up above 84. On that EMA. Down. Down, down, down in a burning ring of NQ. Playing off this bounce. Do I want to try and short here? Nah, I don't think so. About 15 minutes to the bell. Eh, it hasn't gotten any worse, JC. Look at Crude. Crude just boomed up. The 3-minute chart. Right here's the open. Quickly dipped down to 83.04. Is now all the way up to 84.36. That's a big, big move. It's a big, big move. It's popped up by. No, never mind. Ouch. And big move down on. I should have played that bounce. Darn it. As we continue to push down here. Recent low over here is down to 354. Let's see if it pushes down. You can see this is where we reached our high of this move. And down. It's tried to pop back up and now pushing back down. Yeah, I think you just hit your stop, didn't you? It's showing on my screen. Sorry, man, that sucks. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. 3 out of 3. 3 and 3, I think. Down $10. That might not be right. It might be 4. I don't know. As we continue to grind down. No RJ yet. Hope he wasn't kidnapped again. So it's kind of hanging here. It's another big wick down. Kind of a little bit boring right now, unless you're in crude. Crude's exciting right now. Ultra bond all went all the way down to 124.12 there. New daily low. So about a 2-point range. Nice ace. Good job. There's aces too. No, there's RJ. Morning, RJ. My internet's trying to stabilize again. That's okay. So it's kind of hanging here till the open, I guess. Not much going on. Except for crude. I don't have a lot of spare time right now, but this afternoon, I mean, or later this morning, I think I'm going to study crude's open. I think there's a play to be made every day on crude's open. Let's turn back time. Find crude's open. This was crude's open. Ooh, that was an interesting open there. That was a play to be made on the reversal. Turn back time. I actually marked out that day of crude. How about that? Let's look. This was crude's open. Oh, that's an ugly play. Would have been a play after that though. So I'll study that later. Meanwhile, crude moving up to almost 85. I'm an Eagles fan. I mean, I'm a Philadelphia sports fan overall, but I don't really follow hockey much. I couldn't. I mean, I follow it just the scores, but I don't know. It confuses me. I don't understand the whole icing and blue line and all that stuff. So I couldn't tell you. I think the last time I watched a hockey game was probably 30 years ago. maybe not that long, but somewhere around there. But yeah, I follow all the Philadelphia sports, but Phillies are my number one and Eagles are number two. I follow what's going on with the Sixers. I don't watch basketball either, but I follow what's going on, and I know the players and who the stars are. And then Q pushes down. Just don't ask me about anything about soccer. I know the Philadelphia Union are doing really well, but I couldn't tell you anything about them. I know the Sixers have started off badly. Oh yeah, Julius Irving. Yeah. Uh, yeah, I didn't really follow basketball much at all when I was a kid, but everybody knew, in the Philadelphia region, everybody knew who Dr. J was, no matter if you followed basketball or not. The Sixers have had some great stars over the years, from Chamberlain to Julius Erving to Charles Barkley to Allen Iverson. Probably getting a few in there, but hockey, of course. The Broad Street Bullies were just a little bit before my time, but that was the last great. I mean, the the Flyers have had some good players, but just never can seem to put it all together. Lindros looked wonderful until he started getting concussions. And 2 minutes till the bell, as Ace reminds us that this is not a sports podcast, but an actual live trading show. All I want for Christmas is my two front teeth. I was hoping someone just didn't pick one of his teeth out of his mouth. 45 seconds. Oh yeah, 15 minutes after the bell, they decide to release news today. Whoever decides that stuff should be fired. Pushing down here right before the bell. Wow, pushing down quick too. Eh, looked bigger than it was. That's what she said. 7 points down. Must have been some toothpick. What are you, Paul Bunyan, using a log? Okay, there's the bell. Ding, 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 a ling, a ding. Popped up by 12 points. It's kind of all over the place right now, though. Down, down, down. All of a sudden, down. Going down, down, down in a burning ring of fire. And right back up. Right back up. Right back down. We definitely have some indecisiveness in here in the opening candle. Nice job, Ace. And good quick move there because it's right back up. NQ's down by 21, 25. In the year 21, 25. Went to whatever their name was back in the day. You sound like a big fan there, Ace. 32 points now down on the NQ. ES down 3. Just 3. Look at this move down. 50 points down now. That's yelling at me to hit the reverse button. $50. Falling. Not afraid of falling. Low of the day is 260. Still falling. Huh. Yeah, YM is up a little bit on this, just slightly on this 5-minute candle, whereas NQ is falling like a rock. But there's the reversal that I was talking about. Not a strong reversal yet. Kind of curling around now. Trying to pop back up. Yep, we have news in 10 minutes. Bullish engulfing candle here on the 1. Points up, so big reversal here. See if it holds. Oops, sinking back down. Back, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's like we're exercising. Yeah, I was gonna take a long there and decided against it. That was a mistake. Would have got me my 10. But you can see how jumpy it is right now. I missed where you said you got in at there, JC. Yep, I should have went for that long. I see, I'm reading it right. I'm just not taking the trade. That almost all when it curves like that. This move down, bullish engulfing. That oh wow, right back up. Pulling back though. I'm right back down. Buyers are trying to step in. Got about 15 seconds to go in this 1 minute candle. It's staying above that EMA, and the wick is definitely bigger than the body. Almost no body. Ain't got nobody. Taking along. This might be a mistake. We shall see. Give it a little bit more room. Boom, there we go. That's a winner. 10 points. $100. No longer in the red today. Up $84. So we are green. And as Kermit says, it's not easy being green. I mean, it's very green. I mean, this is still going. Again, I could have got much more out of that. Wow, look at that move. I got in at 59 out of 69, and it's up to 99. Thank you, JC. We're watching. What's everything else doing here? What's everything else doing here? Nice move on ES. Wow, 19 points on that ES candle. Wow. 62 on the NQ. Gold is very ugly. Crude's kind of leveled out. Natural gas moving up nicely. Pulling back down a little bit. Great job, John. Yep, 5 minutes till news. But immediately came down. I should have taken the short off of that candle right there, though. Or even off of that one, would have been a good confirmation candle that we're trying to head back down. I got to get quicker at taking those types of moves. The candles will tell you most of the time. Sometimes they'll lie to you. Strong candle down, so big move down, big move up, big move down. And bounce back up. Good morning, Kieran. Ace, you said you were away from the keyboard. So did you send that message telepathically? He's a wizard, Hattie. But I apologize if my fan is hitting the mic. You know, last week we hit 25 degrees here in central Illinois. Yesterday we hit 81 degrees here in central Illinois. Last week the heat was running. Yesterday the AC was running. Wife acting up again, Ace. I'm joking, guys. Don't get mad at me. I was just kidding around. And we're coming down. I stayed out of this because of news and because I hate wicks like that. That wick was a third 24. I do that all the time, Ace. I think it's someone's tired and doesn't want to get up today. Well, that's me too. I'm always tired, don't want to get up. Isn't it an alarm clock technically electronic? This is why I should have been a lawyer. Bullish engulfing candle here coming back up. And there's the news. Wow. Boom. It likes the news. 41 points. 50 points. 60 points. Do I hear 70? 70, 80. Holy wow. 95. Guess I should go check out what that news was, huh? Financial news hasn't updated yet. Eh. My internet's being stupid again. Pull back a little bit. Still up 75, 79. If financial juice ever loads, I'll let you know what the numbers were. Yep. Stupid internet. Theoretically, that was a trigger candle. Pulling back some here. Internet's saying, nope, you can't know what the numbers were. Big pullback. I admit that was a bigger reaction than I thought we were gonna see. Still waiting to see if I can see what I can see. Yeah, it made a lot of sense now, didn't it? Oh yeah, Ultra Bond blew up there. Almost a full point. Pulling back. So it hit a high there of 427, pulled all the way down, back down to 388. Trying to come back up. I would love to have a good internet, but hey. Oh, Yahoo loaded. Why can't Financial Juice load? Wow, it's giving out 3/4 back, and here's a trigger candle. I've checked them out. I used to use them for something. Excuse me. Are we gonna go short here? That was a trigger candle. No, we're not. Maybe we are. Maybe we should have. Actually, would have probably stopped me out. Wow, that's how quickly it's moving. Nope, back up. Technically a trigger back up. I'm gonna take the long here and see what happens. Oh man. Came very close to hitting my target and whipped back down. Very whippy. There we go. Target hit. Boom. Another $100. Now we're up 178 on the day. And wow, didn't go much further, and then look at this, pulls right back down. So right back down. Technically a trigger candle back down, not taking it. Yeah, we hear the train coming. It's rolling around that bend. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. If you're enjoying the content here, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. It helps us get the word out to other people that you like it here. For those of you that have been missing my evening streams, um, obviously share vision is still screwing me badly, but not gonna have a lot of opportunity because of the Phillies making the World Series. They'll at least be playing Monday night and Tuesday night, hopefully Wednesday night. But I thought maybe tomorrow night we can have our first evening stream here on YouTube. Just once this week, because I got to concentrate on trying to make money elsewhere. But we'll do one this week, tomorrow night, 6:45. Well, 7:45 Eastern time. Then we'll see how it goes. So tomorrow night, 7:45 Eastern for the Asia session. We'll see how it goes here on YouTube. And of course, normal daytime streaming tomorrow as well. If Kim's still here, she should be happy. So that move back up actually worked again. Would have been another 10 points. Should have taken it. So that'll probably be the only time over the next 2 weeks, unfortunately. You could thank the Phillies for that. But that said, next week you do get an overdose of ox in the morning. Because next Wednesday is FOMC. We'll do a special all-day stream for that, 7:30 Eastern time till 3 p.m. for the FOMC meeting, and then on Friday is my once a month overnight London stream. So 2 a.m. to 11 a.m. for that. So within a period of about 50 hours, you get about 20 hours of ox. So lots of ox there for the ox enthusiast in your family. Well, NQ's trying to push up here. Nice wick there, but so far not showing the momentum up off that wick like I would have thought. Hit the live button, you should be okay. If you hit the live button, get back to the live broadcast. So let's see if Financial Juice loaded yet. Yeah, there we go. So those numbers, U.S. S&P Services PMI Flash expected was 49.5, got 46.6. Manufacturing PMI 51, expected 49.9. Result and composite PMI Flash 49.3, and that ended up being 47.3. So a miss on all three. Yep, we're nearing the top of the hour. An hour left to go on the stream. It's hanging right on this EMA. He may not like it, but he's got to accept it. Shorting here. And that might have been a bad decision. No, maybe not. Yep, target hit. Wow, there we go, babies. Another $100. Now up 272 on the day. Thank you, Burrow. Told myself after studying it over the weekend that I'm just gonna go in, make my trades, and if they work, they work. If they don't, they don't. Looking like it wants to continue down here. Consider taking another short there, and I should have, but it's okay. Our opening low there was 300 exactly. We're down to 314. Let's see if it can break through. Big push down. There's dip. This broke 300. It's below 300 now and pushing further down. So it burst up on the news and then decided, wait a minute, this news sucks. Sells off. And they're like, maybe it's not so. No, it's horrible. Low of the day, 260. We're right around 300 right now. Right under 300. Will we hit low? Will we hit a new daily low? Continuing to watch as this comes down. Where did you? I missed where you said you got in, Kieran. I apologize. Going. Oh, no, I used the maze. Oh, you never said where when you got in there, Kieran. But I assume you were short and you had a nice profit. Nice, great trade there, Kieran. So we're continuing to watch. It's trying to push up a little bit. It looks like it's being pushed right back down. Yep, down to 277. Can we break daily lows? The daily lows 260. Popping up a little bit there. What's everything else doing? Wow, this is a 27.5 minute candle in ES. Gold's popping down after they also popped up there in the news, and it's giving everything back. Crude back below 85. Copper, weird looking chart there. Kind of stagnant here now. Stagnation. What